First draw two small curved lines and make a C shape like this. Here we will draw letter S in this way and make a curved line. This is more pank of Krishna. Draw similar image inside it. Now draw head curved line in this way. Both the side we will extend this line and draw a U shape here. Here we will add small U shape to draw hair. To draw face, we will add curved line in this way. Draw big eyes of Krishna. Add small eyebrows. U-shaped tika in between the eyebrows. Add small curved lines to complete the nose and smile. Here we will add curved lines for hair. Draw hand here. First we will draw fingers. Now connect it with face with the help of curved line like this. In hand we will draw flute. To draw flute we will add lines in this way. Here we will add fingers of second hand. We will add triangular shape fingers here. And complete the flute. Draw ear. Complete the hair. And here we will complete the hand like this. Complete the hand and make a line, curved line we will draw here for lower body. Make one more curved line here for legs. Draw in this way as Krishna is standing and playing flute. Now draw small feet. Sketching part is complete. Now we will do outline. For outline we can use black sketch pen. I am using a black gel pen. Now it's time to color. To color I am using sketch pens and pencil colors. You can use any color whatever is available, like pencil colors, brush pens, crayons, whatever is available you guys can use. To color hair I am using pencil colors. Here I have done little shading in hair. First we will add brown color as base color. After base color we will do shading with black color. Use a sharpened pencil to add shading. if needed, we can add brown color again as a base color to cover the white part. In body, we will add light blue color. And now our cute and netcut kahna drawing is complete. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to get more videos like this. Thanks for watching.